Alright everybody, welcome back to Hughes Garage. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install tow hooks on your 2019 Ram 1500. Mine didn't come with tow hooks, so I went out and ordered them, and I'll have the link below for the website that I used. The website that I used specifically had free shipping, so that's the problem I run into when I try to order OEM parts offline, is the shipping really gets you. But I got free shipping on this. I saved about 30 bucks overall. And I also got the OEM bezels too, so that looks pretty good. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, here's the tools we're going to be using. 8mm, 18mm, and a 13/16 socket. You're also going to need a big crescent wrench and a mallet, and I'll show you what you need that for here in a little while. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is turn the wheel all the way to the left if you're doing the driver's side. Once you do that, you got these 3 bolts and then them 2 bolts. You're going to undo them, that way you got room to work. They're 8mm. Alright guys, once you get this wheel turned, get these 5 bolts out, and that's going to take this little piece of the fender well out. You're going to have plenty of room to work. Okay, once you get the screws out, pops right out. Easy as that. It's going to give you all the room you need to get the job done. This is going to be an 18mm bolt. This is what we're going to need the mallet and the adjustable wrench for, because once you unscrew it, it'll pop down a little bit, but it won't come all the way out. It has a retention washer in it, I believe, and we're going to have to beat that out. Alright, now you gotten down it as far as it can go. You're going to take an adjustable wrench, get it right here, hold on to it, get your rubber mallet, and just beat on it. And it'll come down the rest of the way. Alright guys, once you got that big bolt out, just go ahead and put it to the side. And we're going to take out these tow hook covers. That way we can put the tow hook through and the new bezel. Alright guys, the next step is very simple. You got 2 8mm bolts down here and 2 retaining clips down here. Take a flathead and you pull them out. I'm going to take your 8mm socket to do these. Alright guys, once you get them loose, not loose, you can pretty much just take the socket off and unscrew them. Once you get them loose enough, they pull right out. See that? Pull right out, like that. Pretty easy. Okay, once you got them screws out and the retainer clips out from the bottom, which you just pull out with a flathead, it pops right out. You got 2 little push pins at the top. Comes right out, and that's what you're going to be looking at. Okay, so this is everything I got in my kit times 2, minus the long screw. I showed you how to take that out. You got 2 new clips. You got your bezel, you got your tow hook, and then you got the bolt that the tow hooks came with that you'll need. And we'll get them installed. Alright, your long bolt goes back right here. Kind of a no-brainer. Screw in a couple a little bit. And you're going to take your bolt that was supplied from the tow hook kit. Screws in right over here. Alright, once you get the tow hook in real good, put this in. Make sure you get these in the holes down there. And you make sure you push it. Clicks right in place. Alright, once you got that sitting in there, you're going to repeat the process that you did to get the old bezel out. Alright guys, once you get them 2 screws done at the top and then the retaining clips at the bottom, this is going to be your finished product. The tow hook in. Looks just like it came from factory parts. Looks real good. I believe that with the tow hooks it gives you a more aggressive look, especially with my setup with my ridge grapplers. It's really good. Guys, if you don't mind and if you like the video, hit the like button and please subscribe. I got plenty of videos on there as is, and I'm adding more and more every week. Thank you.